Today I'd like to tell you about an interface provided by Retail Control Systems that will allow you to send general ledger distributions and accounts payable vouchers from Counterpoint to QuickBooks Online. So why would we want to do this, or why would we need to do this? Many Counterpoint users now want to use QuickBooks Online, and there currently is no standard accounting interface from Counterpoint to QuickBooks Online. Customers like using QuickBooks Online because that can be accessed from anywhere and from any type of device. The Counterpoint direct interface to QuickBooks is only certified to QuickBooks 2020. And then also the Counterpoint standard export interfaces no longer work with newer versions of Microsoft SQL. This interface is very, very easy to use. It's really just 3 quick steps. You first of all create the general ledger distribution files and AP voucher export files per the standard Counterpoint processes. Then you open the importer and browse to the file on your system that you want to import from Counterpoint to QuickBooks Online, and just click import, and then the data goes directly into QuickBooks Online general ledger and accounts payable bills, just like using the standard Counterpoint accounting interface. The installation is fairly quick and straightforward and is done by Retail Control Systems. We install a custom export interface for both general ledger distributions and accounts payable vouchers. And as I said, the Counterpoint standard export interfaces don't work any longer with current versions of Microsoft SQL due to DTS no longer being supported. Then we will download and install an IIF importer on whatever machine in your environment needs to run that importer. Then we will open the importer. It will automatically connect to QuickBooks Online, and the customer will enter your QuickBooks login information and your company information for QuickBooks. And it's very convenient that we don't need to do any file or field mapping. So QuickBooks Online uses all the field headers that are provided by Counterpoint in the export file to determine where that data goes in QuickBooks. So here's just a screenshot of in Counterpoint how we do our normal distribution interface and create the file. So we would just do that normal process. Once that export file is created, we go here and open the importer. You will click the button on the left that says select the IIF file, and it will take you to a File Explorer, basically, where you find the file that you want to send into QuickBooks Online and select it. And when you do that, you'll see a little progress bar in the importer showing you the file going into QuickBooks Online and letting you know when it's complete. So a really quick and easy process. As the customer, you have a few responsibilities in getting this set up. First of all, you need to purchase and set up QuickBooks Online, just like you would normally. Then you will have your chart of accounts configured in both Counterpoint and QuickBooks, and they need to be the same so that they can interface and talk to each other. You'll need to understand the accounting interface process and the vouchering process within Counterpoint. And if you need help with your chart of accounts and learning those interface processes, we can certainly help you do that. If it's in your environment, then you would need to confirm that you have the current version of Microsoft Edge or Chrome on whatever computer or computers are going to be using the interface. Then when we set up the initial connection between the importer and QuickBooks Online, we will need for you to provide the initial login and authorization information to QuickBooks Online. And then we'll need you to do some testing by creating the distribution accounts and the AP voucher files in Counterpoint, and do some test imports into QuickBooks Online and make sure that that's all working properly and everything is mapping properly. And of course, we're there to help during this testing process in case there's anything needed. Once it's all installed, very little support is necessary. Generally, the connection stays active and the mapping doesn't change, and so very little support is needed along the way. If you do need support, that support is covered by the monthly subscription. And when it's installed, then we provide you with a little bit of documentation that's needed in order to use the interface. And if you would like some more information on this interface, please contact your account manager. Thank you for watching.